Cherrywood in South County Dublin is effectively the most rapidly developing suburb in the entire country. It is a massive level of development going on out here with apartments and houses being built all over the area. As soon as houses are finished, they're occupied because people have bought them and they want to move in. And yeah, the houses next door might still be finished off and there can be an apartment block across the road. But we're in the middle of a housing crisis and people are very anxious to get into their new homes as quick as possible. The exception out here, though, is the Domville apartment complex, where despite the fact that the taxpayer was funding the purchase of a block of apartments here to accommodate 30 people or families on the social and local authority housing list, they're still not occupied up to a year later. In fact, offers were made to occupy 30 apartments, which were withdrawn in this past week because of some sort of bureaucratic paperwork procedural delay between a housing charity and the developer. And as a result of that, those people were told, well, you're not going to be living here, but we're going to find you housing somewhere else. A similar situation has emerged in Rathfarnham, where a brand new apartment block with 37 apartments in it has been allocated for social housing through the same housing body and yet still hasn't been occupied. And there's a growing sense of frustration in that area, as we were hearing from a local councillor.
It's been exceptionally frustrating as a local councillor in Rathfarnham. I can't walk down the main street of Rathfarnham village without people stopping me, asking me, what on earth is the problem with these apartments? We've asked for updates from the approved housing body Oakley. There's been no response. There's been no engagement with any of the councillors, any of the TDs. Construction work finished in January 2025. Funding was approved by government in July. And as you can see yourself, there's been no progress made on site. I've been looking inside. We can see the ground floor is not even fully finished. So they're telling us to be finished very shortly, that tenants will be in. I don't believe what they're telling us. The approved housing body contacted South Dublin County Council in October 2025, only a few months ago. South Dublin County Council assigned tenants to the approved housing body in November. And only this week I had a lady on to me saying her son has a disability. He was delighted, he was over the moon, he got one of these homes for himself, his lifetime home. And she said since November last year, her son has had no contact from the approved housing body to say, when is he getting the keys? When is he moving in? When is he putting his furniture and bits and pieces in? So there's been no engagement, no contact. My concern is that Oakley are buying more apartments in the area for social housing. We need more social housing, but they're buying apartments without finishing what they've already purchased. So they're growing as an approved housing body.
Yeah.
More social housing, that's fantastic. But they really should finish what they already have rather than growing and getting more apartments onto their books.
So in the case of here in Domville, Oakley, the housing body, which is funded by the taxpayer after all, says that these apartments are not yet occupied because Oakley does not yet own them. The acquisition cannot legally be completed with the developer just yet. There's no fixed timeline on when that matter might actually be sorted out. In the case of Rathfarnham, those apartments at Loretto Gate, they are saying that the matters have been sorted out now, that the funding is all in place and that the ownership has been handed over to the housing body themselves. And they're saying that the first residents will move in the next 2 to 3 weeks. But after that significant delay, there's still some skepticism about that. It would appear that in the midst of a housing crisis, there doesn't seem to be a level of urgency right across the board when it comes to filling social housing.